Hi and welcome to my channel. All crypto related videos that will be posted here will be as short as possible in order for all of you to understand better how to use it properly. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, share this video to others as well, and select to be notified. Thank you very much. In order to properly understand the idea and the principle behind any chart characteristics or any indicator, first of all, do a little research yourself. Do not hesitate to do that, okay? Go on Google or go on Wikipedia like I'm showing you. Type on the search bar the information that you require. Learn the definition, okay? The definition and the characteristics of each indicator, each stuff, okay? And after that you can apply it on a chart. Do not skip this step, it's very important and will help you in the future. And Investopedia is not sponsoring me, so you can use any other website that you want. I gave it just as an example. Okay, so for the Fibonacci, go on TradingView. Okay, not most of the time it works on Binance, so I prefer to use just this indicator on TradingView directly. It's basically identical. It's the chart from TradingView applied on Binance. So Binance uses the TradingView for a large fee, I would say. Okay. So as the same, use the menu for an uptrend. I'll show you how to do it. Actually, it's a flag there. It's a flag, a pennant, how you want to call it. Okay. You want to know if the chart will go farther on or if it will reverse. You have to pay attention to some of the index there, okay? So 50% and 61.80. If it goes below those two, okay, it will be a reverse and it will go down. If not, most of the time it bounces from 50% and go further with the uptrend. I will try one more as well. So the top of the wick, the bottom of the wick for the down one, okay, and the top as well on the same line. And as I drew it, you see 38.20. So pretty good one, pretty obvious actually. Okay, and for a downtrend example as well, you have to do backwards. Okay, so bottom of the wick, top of the high wick, and bottom as well. The chart is not letting me. Why is it doing that? Okay. The important thing is to be on the same line, okay, with the other one, and you will see it went down, had a retracement to 50%, but was ejected and went back down. Okay, after that made, let's say, double bottom, and from that it was a breakthrough 50 and 61.80 later. As a special feature, I will start posting a chart analysis per day for Ethereum and Bitcoin, signals like where to buy and where to sell, so don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button.